Hi, and welcome to Patio Productions. Have you ever wondered how long a high-quality piece of teak outdoor furniture actually lasts? Well, the answer might surprise you. This super durable wood is so great for patio furniture because it can last for decades. Now that's a return on your investment. So today we'll talk about teak's durability, longevity, and how you can enjoy your teak for years to come. Teak is known far and wide for its stunning beauty, impressive strength, and unmatched durability. It's the go-to choice for luxury outdoor furniture, and for good reason. With proper care and maintenance, top-quality teak furniture can easily last over 50 years. Can you believe it? So, what's the secret behind teak's incredible longevity? Well, it all comes down to the natural oils and tight grain found in the wood. They make teak exceptionally resistant to harsh weather, pesky pests, and the general wear and tear that comes with life outdoors. Now, you might notice that over time, untreated teak develops a sophisticated silvery-gray patina. Some folks really dig this softened, aged look. But if you prefer to keep your teak furniture looking warm and honey brown, regular maintenance is key. A little cleaning and sealing can go a long way in preserving that fresh from the showroom appearance for decades to come. Of course, the quality of your teak furniture plays a big role in how long it will last. That's why we at Patio Productions always recommend choosing furniture made from top-grade, kiln-dried teak. This sustainably sourced wood comes from mature, dense trees and is less likely to develop cracks over time. So, how can you keep your teak furniture looking its best for generations? First, let it weather outside uncovered for a few weeks to allow any untreated surface oils to leach out. Then clean it annually with a mild wood detergent to prevent mold and mildew growth. If you want to maintain that golden color, apply a premium teak sealer every 2-3 years. Check the link in the description below for even more tips and information on teak's amazing lifespan. And if you're ready to find your perfect piece of beautiful teak, head over to patioproductions.com. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, with Patio Productions, you can create an outdoor space that stands the test of time.